Hi friends, Miss Molly here. I'm going to be making some elephant toothpaste with you guys today. I wonder why it's called elephant toothpaste. Why do you think it's called elephant toothpaste? To make elephant toothpaste, you have to have a recipe. A recipe tells you what you need, how much of it, and then how to combine them. So my recipe says first, you take a plastic bottle and you put it in a pan. And that's for easy cleanup. Next, you take a teaspoon, which is a little spoon like this, of yeast. And you just put it in a separate bowl. And then next you take a tablespoon, which is a bigger measuring spoon, and you get 2 of those of warm water. 1 and 2. And then my recipe says you just swirl it around a little. Get all the yeast nice and wet. Oh look guys, it's dissolving. And then you set that aside. And in the bottle, I'll move it a little closer. We take our funnel. You put it in. A funnel has a little hole in it so you can pour things straight into something small. So we need a 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Now make sure you have a parent help you with it. So I have a 1/2 cup measuring cup. You just squeeze what you need in. Next, you very carefully pour the hydrogen peroxide into the bottle. Then you pick a color. I already picked out green. So our elephant toothpaste is going to be green. I'm going to put a couple drops in. And then next it says to put a squirt of dish soap. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that in. And then finally, so next I'm pouring the yeast and water mixture into the hydrogen peroxide, soap, and food coloring, and we're going to see what happens. Whoa! Look at that. Just keeps coming. Now, if you want to make this with your parents, just let them know, and I will put the recipe in the description below.